Hello, my dear esteemed viewer. Thank you once again for tuning to this station. Today is a special day, and this video is a specialized video because we'll be discussing about scholarship. Because I received a comment from some of my viewers. They want to know more about scholarship program, and the good thing is the season is ripe for it. Like now, there is current scholarship that's ongoing here in Russia Federation, and it's for global participants. So I decided to make this video for youths, teenagers who want to get quality education abroad. So this video will be very handful for you, and in this particular video I will be discussing the stages of scholarship and what you need to do and how to avoid avoidable mistake, because it's not just for you to write or take the text, but it's how to get well prepared so that you can make the best use of your time. Okay, with that, having said that, I want to once again take this opportunity to thank my viewers, those who have been following our videos, some of our videos, and who have dropping their comments, and also for our subscriber. I want to appreciate you so much, and I urge you that this current version of video will be more interesting because it will give you opportunity for you to learn more about education system in the Europe, in other parts of the world. And this particular time we'll be talking about the one in Russian Federation. So I will tell you in details about this scholarship because it's currently ongoing. The application window opens just this month, 1st of September. So the application is on now until November. So these are things you need to know about the scholarship. Well, the scholarship is known as Open Door Scholarship. It's one of the Russian largest and the oldest scholarship that is being funded by Russian federal government, and it's the participating universities are the one of the best Russian universities are shortlisted. It's not every university that participates there. We have lists of university that participate in this scholarship. I was a beneficiary of this scholarship 3 years ago, so I think I know more about the scholarship, and so I can tell you everything you need to know about the scholarship, why it's so important for you to apply for it if you are interested in getting higher education abroad and all that. So first thing for this video, we classify this video into 3 stages. The first stage we're talking about the bachelor, the second stage we're talking about the master, then the third stage we're talking about the PhD. So that means this scholarship comprises of 3 levels: bachelor, master, and PhD. So I will start with the bachelor today. Our discussion will channel towards the bachelor, getting bachelor degree in Russian Federation. Now, here are some background information about the scholarship. Like I said before, the name is Open Door Scholarship, and about 185 countries are participating in the scholarship because it's a global scholarship. Irrespective of your country, you can participate, and it's free. Application is free, it's open for everyone. And at the point of uploading this video, I will equally send a link for this scholarship so anyone can actually click it and apply. And also, if you have any question about how to apply, you can write on a comment. I will try to answer your question. So far this scholarship started over 4 to 5 years ago, and fortunately I was the the third set, that was 2021, and again, and about 1,000 about 146,000 participants already have won a scholarship. So just imagine, within interval of from just speed of year, they have already about 1,400 and about 1,046,000 participants have already won a scholarship, and have participated already. Sorry, about 6,300 have already won it. So we have about 1,406,000 participants so far, with 3,300 that have won it. And I'm sure I'm one of the participants who was added into the number, because I'm also a participant of this prestigious scholarship. Now, basically, what's all the scholarship all about? Because I received comments, people asking me, how is the scholarship? Is it fully funded? Is it part scholarship? No, the scholarship is fully funded. You don't have to pay a dime, and you'll be receiving your stipend while you are studying. And again, you need to understand that the scholarship gives opportunity for you to come to Russian Federation, and then you study here free, and you receive monthly stipend for your study, for those who've won. So look at how it goes. For you to participate in this scholarship, there are things you need to have. One place, you should have your transcript ready. Your transcript should be available. It's very essential. You have your transcript. So you should have also your original certificate. But someone will say, oh, but now I'm about to graduate, and I'm sure that I have only statement of result. But it's okay. You can actually use it, because I remember during my own time, my original was not ready, so I used my statement of result. Before everything was, before the processing of my document and passing the exam and everything, before everything should conclude, then I was able to get my original. So I was able to go to the embassy to do the necessary things. So now you need to have your transcript, hard copy of it. Then you should have your original certificate or statement. Then if you have your passport, that's okay. If you don't have your international passport, you can also have, I believe, wherever you are watching this video, you also have your indigenous identification card, or to show that who you are from your country, maybe your driving license, or probably your voter card, or so on. So if you have this document, congratulations. So you can move to the next stage. The next stage of it is for you to actually assemble this document and to know there is some important information you need to know about the scholarship. It's of two stages. First stage is what we call portfolio. In this stage of portfolio, you are meant to fill your information, your details, and you upload all those transcript, your certificate you have, and if you have any professional course you've done before, maybe online, you can actually upload it. The truth is this: if you have more certificate from maybe professional courses you did before, or online courses you did in the past that's related to what you are doing, or just you have those certificate bearing your name and you did it, then you can also upload it. The first stage is being evaluated. In this stage, those who have the highest score will be ranked to go for the exam. So it's very important you actually have those certificates. If you have any working certificate or experience or professional course you've done before, please upload it in your application. Or if you have opportunity to have participated in any competition and you won, please upload it in the application. This is because at that stage, what the evaluator are looking at is those who have the highest number of certificates, those who have the highest number of portfolio. So if those who have high number of portfolio, then after the first stage has closed, which is by November, as I said, then they will evaluate those who have the highest number of portfolio, and those who have the highest number will be enlisted to participate in the exam. Now, pay attention. This exam is what we call is protector exam. It's kind of exam that is you sit. It's a protector. It's monitor exam. So the software will be installed in that computer. You still take the exam, and it monitors the environment. It monitor how you conduct yourself during the exam session. So you'll get prepared. But that's another video. I will do it because of the time. But this time around, this video is to let you know what you need to have to go in for the first stage, which is if you have those documents ready, then please you can start applying with the link down on this video. Start the application. If you have any comment or have any question, please drop it. I will try to answer it as soon as I see it. I'll try to respond to your question. Now, congratulations. You have every information you need to know about the scholarship. The next video, I will explain about the next stage, and also please pay attention to your details when filling it. Do not make mistake with your information, and make sure that your documents are uploaded. If you don't have the document ready now, don't be in a haste. You still have time from now to November for you to apply. Currently now, we still have 56 days remaining. 56 days, 8 hours, 27 minutes. So you can wait and get those documents ready. If I were you, if I should advise you, I would say, why not, since you have up to a month plus now, why don't you do some online courses to add to your portfolio? Because that is what some of the things that will give you more edge to get more higher grade for you to move to the next phase of the exam. So thank you so much, and I look to hear your success. Please watch this and share with your colleague who are looking for a scholarship and who never believe that they can actually take opportunity like this. It is real and it's available. That's why I'm using the opportunity. I'm making this video because I'm also one of the beneficiary of it, and because some of my viewers have already made comment, they want to know more about the scholarship, so I'm bringing it now. So expect our next video about the second stage of the scholarship. Then I will unveil to you how the exam will look like, how you need to prepare for the exam, and what you should expect for the exam. And again, I think one question I have not answered is, what are the courses that is available for the scholarship? That I will answer during the second video. I will tell you the courses that is available in Bachelor, the courses that is available in Master, the course that is available in the PhD level. I will also tell you the number of universities that are participating in this scholarship, so that you can actually make selection. I will actually guide you how to pick the best university for this scholarship. Thank you so much for watching, and please watch this video and share to your friends somewhere, maybe around you, who are looking for scholarship. Maybe the person who will help this particular person secure a bright and quality education, and that person will not forget you for helping him realize his destiny in the grand style. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video, and do have a wonderful and prosperous week to yourself. Bye.